Stay awesome!
Stay awesome.
Stay awesome. What
There's
the
a pub with no beer.
No beer in it.
Gotta stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome.
So today's film is about building a lounge. Building a lounge in a van is more or less like building a box. Virtually build a little box, put a lid on it, and then put the cushions on top, or upholster on top, whatever you want to choose to do. But it's quite simple, as long as you make it structurally sound, and you can have some good storage underneath it, which is a great thing. Just a couple of hinges and you've got yourself a good storage space, seating space. You can make it even more. Welcome viewers to episode 12 of Stay Awesome Vanlife. Today we do a lounge build. Yeah, it's about the lounge, Gazza.
What lounge?
The lounge in the van, the one you're sitting in the other day. The lounge
I didn't see any lounge.
with a nought on it.
I saw the bed.
Yeah, well, and then the lounge, you were sitting on it in front of the fridge with no beer.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Why would you take somebody that as nice as me to have a look at your new fridge and the fucking thing's got no beer in it?
Open the fridge for us.
All right.
There you go. Come on.
What
There's
the
a pub with no beer.
No beer in it.
Hey! I got the electricity hooked up yet.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Very disappointing, isn't it?
Very disappointing.
Well, when I fill it up, Gazzy, you'll be the first one invited over.
All right, no
Yeah, I'll be very social when I've got the backrest in it.
Well, I like Coronas, please, mate.
Yeah, Coronas. You will have Coronas. It's a good year to...
Coronas and lime.
2020 Corona.
2020.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you haven't run out of tools, Daryl's got the one here for the train... what do you call it? A train workshop. Have a look at all this. Oh my lord. I think you could wire up an F111 with all this. Unbelievable. So there you go. Geez, Daryl, that's unbelievable. It's awesome, isn't it?
It's awesome, Gary.
Daryl.
Stay awesome.
Okay, just making pocket holes
Stay awesome.
for the joins, for the couch. That's the crag jig. With the crag jig drill bit. Pretty easy to use. Just clamp it on the end. Drill in that hole. Drill in the opposite hole. And you're done. There it is. That's the product. Very easy to use. Very strong joints too. It's going to work for there. So there's the pockets holes drilled. Just got to put the drill bits in there, the screws in. Yeah, and that's the wonderful device it does. Okay, so here's the couch. That's the base. Crag jig help make those joints. And there's the crag jig. So now I'm going to my little stash of timber and I'm going to look for some more of that size. I think I've only got a couple left. 2 left. So anyway, always going to have your stash of timber. Anyway, there's some more insulation there. It's all happening. So you build your frame and surround it with plywood. Take that into account when measuring. So there we go, that's the first paint job on it. But anyway, that's the couch, there's the top. I've painted around the edges of that nice blue. I haven't finished yet, I've got to do another coat, let it dry, and then it'll be going in the van, and then I've got to get a piano hinge and enough ply to do a lid on it, and we're in business. Okay, I've come up with an idea for the lounge. I've got this big stainless steel Zero that you have for a house, but what I'm going to do is I've set that in with dual 2 holes, set that in. I'll see if I can get this without the phone dropping too much. Okay. In those holes, I'm going to cut that hole out, and that's going to be the step, the initial step up to the bed. So it serves a dual purpose, and that's what I'll be doing next. Cutting that hole out, and there's a step to go up into the, I'll reinforce it at the back, but that'll be to go up onto the bed. So dual purpose. So there's the hole cut for the step to the bed. It's going to turn out pretty good actually. So I've just got to tidy that up, put the O number over the top. Looks like it's specially made for this project.
Hey,
So there we go, there's
stay
the
awesome.
foot
Gotta stay awesome.
step inside the lounge, done.
Hey, you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey, my name is Gary, and I'm the man.
I come at my friend Daryl's place, and he's got his train set here. I didn't realise he was this eccentric, but oh my lord, he beats the Munsters as far as having the best train set. It's amazing. And how does this tie into van life? Well, if you look underneath, have a look at that wiring and look at what's joining them. Wago connectors. Absolutely brilliant. Have a look at that. And I said to you they were a godsend. They're running this whole city that he's got here. It's a city, Daryl, isn't it? It's amazing. Is that the Brooklyn Bridge? Huh? That's amazing. Where'd that train go? Was it in the tunnel or something? Hey? That's amazing. And look at this. You've got this whole switchboard system here to run this. This is like, I think Transport for Brisbane would be envious of this. Hey? Do they call you the fat controller when you do all this? Is that something to do with who's the fat controller in? That's in something that one of the Beatles' mums invented or something, wasn't it? Gee, that's amazing, Dad. You have a derail. There we go. Action. Finally, I've got a scoop on Stay Awesome Vanlife. A derailed train. We better put it on 7 News. Oh, there we go. That's bloody brilliant, Daryl. To say I'm blown away is an understatement. This is absolutely amazing. Now, I don't think anyone's got one of these in the back of their van. Have a look at that. Hey? Oh, well, there you go, Daryl. Okay, everyone wants solar. Have a look at this. My mate Daryl here runs a whole house off solar. Absolutely brilliant. So, the Victron, everyone will know about them. This is a 5,000 watt inverter. Unbelievable. And what are they for? AGM?
They're 425 ampere hour batteries each.
420 amp hour batteries each.
Yeah.
And you got 4 of them.
Yeah, it's 24 volt system.
1,600 hours of...
No,
Oh.
400. They're in series.
Oh, it's
Big
okay.
difference between series and parallel.
Oh, gotcha, okay. Amazing, eh? Oh, yeah, in series it ups the amperage, doesn't it?
No, it stayed the same.
Oh, does it?
In other way around. In
Oh,
parallel,
okay.
They add.
Oh, gotcha. So, okay, I'm a bit of a novice with all this. Parallel is negative to negative to negative, positive, positive, positive?
It's negative to positive.
Oh, okay, I thought that was series. I'm wrong.
I've got to think about it myself.
Okay, we'll both think about it. But whatever it is, you run your whole house off it. It's absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. Geez, I'd love to have that in the van.
Hey, you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey, you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey, my name is Gary, and I'm the man with the freaking van. Got to stay awesome. Van